7-Day Hair Growth Oil. Struggling with hair fall? Thinning hair got you down? Don't stress. I'm going to show you how to make a totally natural hair oil that can seriously boost your hair growth in just 1 week. The magic is in these all-natural ingredients you probably already have: curry leaves, fenugreek seeds, coconut oil, onion juice, and beautiful hibiscus flowers. First, gently heat up some coconut oil in a pan. Toss in a handful of curry leaves and fenugreek seeds. Let them sizzle until they're nice and golden. Now, carefully add your onion juice and hibiscus petals. Simmer it all for just a few minutes. Then turn off the heat. Let it cool completely and then strain it. Apply this warm oil to your scalp and hair twice a week. Massage it in gently for about 10 minutes, and then leave it on overnight for the best results. Get ready to see some amazing changes. In just 1 week, you'll notice less hair fall, shinier hair, and even some new baby hairs popping up. Trust me, nature knows best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Skin Maker Lab for more easy and effective skincare and beauty tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a natural remedy that could change your glow game. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful and confident.